Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys another powerful boom and crash strategy that you can use to grow your $10, your $20 or a $30 account. Okay, so I'm going to just keep this video quick and fast. Okay, I'm going to make it very quick and fast. So make sure you take note of everything I'm going to say. Okay, because it's going to help you grow your small account. Alright, so the first thing you should do with this strategy, okay, is to first of all you allow the red and green indicator, okay, to get to the overbought level here, okay, which is your 20 and 30 level over here. Okay, once you see that price is between this zone or below it, okay, you get ready for sell. Get ready for the crossing. Okay, so once you see that it gets to this zone, the next thing you should wait for is the crossing above. Okay, so once it crosses above the blue line, okay, then you go in for, let's say, 5 candles. Okay, so this is the area where it crosses. Okay, so at this area now you have to go in for 5 candles. You take 1 2 3 4 5 and then you are done. Okay, you are done. Okay, so before I forget, the zoom level, you zoom out completely. Okay, and then you zoom in twice, 1 and 2. Okay, that's the zoom level. So you look for another opportunity. Okay, look for another opportunity. So right here you see that it's touching the 30 and 20 level. Okay, then you go in for your 5 candle. Okay, let's say at this junction, this is where it cross. Okay, you can take 5 candle before there's going to be spike. Okay, so here again you can see this is a proper condition being laid out here. So you can see price got to the 20 and 30 level. The next thing it cross. Okay, you go in for your 5 candles and then you are out. You can see here again, this is another opportunity you can see. Then you go in for your 5 candles. You can see that right here, it's where it cross. You take your 5 candles and then you are out. Okay, it's a very good strategy. Okay, it's a very good one. Here again, you go in for your 5 candles and then you are out. So once you allow this indicator to get to the overbought level right here, and then the crossing happen, your 5 candle is sure, guys. It's very sure to happen. Okay, so you make sure you stick to the simple condition I give. Okay, I told you I'll keep this video very fast, so I won't want to waste much of your time. So that is just simple as this strategy is. Okay, and before I forget, there's something you should take note of. Okay, you go to the 15-minute time frame. Okay, you make sure the price is in an uptrend. Okay, before you apply the strategy, okay, you need to make sure price is currently in an uptrend. Okay, price is going up before you apply the strategy. Okay, not when price is coming down like this. Okay, if you apply it in a downtrend, it will not work. Okay, you can see it right now. We are in crash 1000, and this strategy we are going to be using it to catch the ticks. Okay, the small candle. We are going to be trading against spike with this strategy. So take note of that. Okay, so let's say if you are on boom, okay, and the market, for example, you can see now the market is in a downtrend currently, so you can apply the strategy. Okay, go to your 1 minute time frame and then you apply the strategy. Okay, wait for the crossing to happen, then take your entry. You can see that right here. Okay, don't forget to allow price and allow this indicator to first of all touch the overbought level here. Okay, in the case of crash, it will need to touch the oversold level, which is down here. Okay, before you wait for the crossing to happen and then you take your entry. Okay, It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that, and then you make your money. So before spike will come, okay, if you wait for the condition before spike will come, you are already done with your 5 candle and you are out, okay. This is a ninja strategy. You sneak in and you sneak out, okay, before spike will come. So you can see this is where the crossing happen. 1 2 3 4 5, and then you are out, guys. You are out. This is how simple it is, okay. So I'm going to just go ahead and share the setting of this strategy with you. Okay, so the first thing you do, click on this F icon right here, this F icon above here. Okay, click on the F icon. Okay, we only have 2 indicators here, okay, which is the relative strength index. Click on it, then you can see these are the settings. Period is 1, apply to close. Under the style we have 4 pixels, the color is white, okay. Then under the level, these are the levels, okay. We have 30, 70, 80 and 20. 1 pixel, the color is black, okay. Then you go back, and then this is all, okay. You click on done, you have this, and then the next indicator is going to be the alligator, okay. Click on it. You can see this, guys. You can see this. You can see this. So you just make sure set everything same way it is here, okay. Set everything same way it is. You can see. Just make sure everything is as it is here, guys. Then after that, click on done. Then you have a screen like this, okay. This is a very powerful strategy, guys, okay. It's a very good one. So you apply this and then you are good to go, guys. You are good to go. So that is it for this video. I'm leaving you guys now. Make sure you make that money, guys. Make that money. Silver out.